decorating, and more. Today we're out here picking pears. Yes, picking pears because we're going to be making pear tarts. So I wanted you to see firsthand where I get some of my fresh pears here in our neighborhood from my neighbor, who's very kind and generous to share with me her pear tree. So now we're going to head in, get these pears cleaned up, and we're going to make some pear tarts. Stay tuned. We're back and I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing with our fruit here in our pots. Okay, in here I have the peaches, okay, and the apples, okay, in this particular pot. And in this one I have the pear, okay, and it's already been sauteed and ready to go into our crust. The peaches and the apple is taking a little bit longer because I cut them in bigger pieces. So as soon as this gets ready, we're going to pop back on and we're going to roll out our dough, and we're going to start putting our handheld pieces together, okay? So stay tuned for that. That smells so good. It really, really does. Okay, we're at the point now where we're making our little circles here that we're going to be using for our handheld pies. And I wanted to show you how I'm doing that. Not a lot of pressure with this because this is marble. Okay, and it's really heavy already. So you don't have to do a lot of pressing when you are making your dough. Okay, and just constantly move it around like that. Okay, because you want to form that perfect little circle if you can. It doesn't have to be thick. It doesn't have to be really paper thin. It's right in between, as you can see there. Okay? Alright. So we're going to roll out the rest of these. We're going to put our filling in there, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Stay tuned. And now we're popping back on here. We have made our little circles here with our dough, and we're filling it in. This is going to be our pear filling. Okay, so I want you to see that. It's already been seasoned, and this is the fun part to me, because you very prepare everything, and everything looks great, everything smells good, tastes good, and you are ready. Okay? You're just basically going to fold it over like that. And gently press. Gently press. Now some people, they will take egg wash and put it on the inside like that, and then fold it over and press. And I find that if you make the dough thick enough, you know, not too thick but not too thin, and you don't have to do that, okay? And you can just pretty much press it into each other just like that with your fingers, okay? Or if you have a design like this, okay, you can use the edges like that. Or if you have one of these, okay, the ridges there, you can do that. You're just basically going to press it in, press, and press, and press to get that ridge shape around the edges, just like that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. You can go back and you can score it just like these two right here. See how that is. Okay, and you have that design and you have that. You can make a little cute little design on top, or you can leave it plain like this. Okay, so it's all up to you how you want to do that. And like I say, you can score them very neatly like that, just to create just a little design there, if you like that type of thing. Okay, and that's it. You're going to place them on your baking sheet, and you're going to pop them into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. And you check them at the 15-minute mark, okay? and we'll be right back. I'm going to show you exactly what those look like fresh out of the oven, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back, and our handheld pies are out of the oven. They have cooled down somewhat, and I wanted to pop back on here and share with you, as you saw in some of the pictures that I'm going to upload on here, so you can see exactly the different shapes and different brownness of the pies. You get a chance to see all of that, okay? So this is one of the pies here, and it is the pear version, okay? And we're going to be tasting this right now. So I taste the cinnamon, the butter, the nutmeg, and it's not too sweet, guys. It's just right, just right. And you can try this plain like this, or you can try it with ice cream, whatever you prefer, okay? All right, these are so delicious, guys, and if you decide to make them, you will enjoy every bite, I guarantee you. And if you have any more comments for me in terms of what I made here for you guys on the channel, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think and how these turned out, all right? Okay, so you guys go out and have a great one. We'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys, to the channel, okay? We're almost at our goal of 1,000 subscribers. So hang in there with me. There's more to come, because as you know, we start getting cranked up at this time of the year for the fall, alrighty? So y'all go out and have a great one, and we'll see you guys in the next video.